Hello and welcome back dear. Today in this video I am going to talk about how to apply TCS NQT and complete the TCS campus community form. So guys, it is regardless of the which year you are applying for. I am making this normal video. So any year like you are 2021 pass out, 2022 or 2023 or 2024, this video is going to work. All procedure will be same only. So I will mention what process you have to go and what is the best way you can go and complete this form. So this video is especially only for the educational purpose. We are not making this video for any other purpose. So use this video as educational purpose and it is going to help you out to complete this TCS NQT registration as well as campus community form. So guys, you will get some link from your TPO or any other group or your concerned department. So what you have to do that you have to open that link. Once you open that link, you will get something like this. You have to accept the cookies. It is smooth for you to go if you accept the cookies. Okay. So it is actually for 2020 and 2021 heading. Your maybe 2022, 2023, 2024 based on your year it will be. So nothing to do there. You will get registration end date also. So for it is September 24. In your case it may be different as you are from different year. So it is all based on which year you are applying for. Test schedule will be also there in which month the test is going to occur. It will be mentioned for you. Check your link. Interview date to be announced post the result. So after result, such things used to announce. So check also that within your link. And there is like registration open. So you have to click on register. Before that, you have to check out like to whom they are hiring. So you will get like what qualification you have to do and which year passing batch you are. So for your case, like for this particular specific video, the case is 2020 passing batch or 2021. In your case, it may be 2023 or 2022 or 2025. So check on that. And for more eligibility criteria, you have to refer test eligibility section. So we will look into and remaining like you have to application process of TCS of campus hiring. So what you have to do? Login, you have to log into the next portal. You have to click there. Then after register and of campus hiring process, you have to do all those section. I will explain one by one. Nothing to worry and apply for drive everything you have to do. Mode of test you have to select everything. So in center or remote everything I will discuss down to you will also get one track application number and you will use. So I am showing all those things. Okay, eligibility criteria you can go and check for your own. You open your link and check what is for yours. For it 60% or 6 CGPA is in 11, 12 or in diploma and even in graduation and post graduation if it is applicable in your case. So check that it may be varied. So check your own link and highest qualification like a student have completed their education in a specific explicit course like duration. No extended education will be entertained and backlog means if you are not extending backlog then okay. Now if you have extending backlog then you are not allowed. Your backlog should be cleared at the time of applying it and your break like academic break like in your gap should not exceed 27 months until your higher education. So relevant proof also you have to mention and course type should be like only full time, no correspondent or the part time course will be entertained. However, National Institute of Open Schooling is allowed if you have any other regular courses for full time if you have done. So those things will be applicable. Work experience like in this case 2 years of like eligible to apply if you have 2 years of work experience or freshers. So in your case it is maybe different. So check that. Age may be also different in your case. Check that. Okay, everything you check. Exam also you can exam pattern you can check for your case, and frequently asked section is also there. So check it out for your case. I don't want to take much time on it. Okay, so registration you can click there. I will go in new tab so it is easy to explain you. So I am opening that tab. It is loading. Okay, dear. So those things you have to do. Then after I will go for next portal and all those registration process. So it is still opening. It will sometime take a little bit longer time. So have a patience in that case. So it is still loading. Okay, I will again reload it. Sometime it will take like 30 second, 40 second. So you need not to worry in that case. You have to have a patience because this is one of the biggest company and most of people are like applying. So server is also busy, overload on the server. Even like some time you have the network issue. So it is still not opening for me. I am trying it. Okay, so let's see how long time it will take. Even then after we will go for like this next portal. So I am opening that also, it will be easier. Okay, so let me check which one is opening at first. Okay, it is unnecessarily taking so long time. Okay, okay, now it is opening. You can see it is loading. Okay. So here, if you are new, then I assume you are new. If you are old, just go and log in. If you are new, click register now. Then, if you are from IT, CSE, and EC background, then you have to go for IT. So you click on IT. If you have profiled on other like BPS, then you have to freshly create for IT using new email ID. Okay. Okay, so I will fill this with one detail. So I will give Mr. and I will give something Ajay. Okay, don't give a space there. Middle name. So make sure your middle name, surname, and first name is correct at correct position. Okay, and date of birth like that we have to go. These all are the just simple data we are providing just to show you how to fill. Okay, dear. So this is all about like how to fill. I am just providing those data. It need not be all data is coded. This is just simple data. So mail ID I am giving deep codec guru at the rate gmail.com. I am giving okay invalid mail it is showing okay so dot com. Okay, so this is done. Okay, mobile number. So one mobile number I will give 9117948968. Okay, and institute name. So I will give one institute name. Aditya Institute of Technology and Management Tekle. Okay, qualification. So coming to qualification, Bachelor in Technology I am providing. Bachelor. Okay, Bachelor of Technology, maybe Bachelor in Technology. Okay, not technology it is providing. Okay, let me see what are the options they are providing. Bachelor of Master, Bachelor, okay, Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology, there or not. Bachelor of Technology is there. Okay, so that is BTech. Okay, and now year of passing, your highest qualification to select based on your case. Okay, and nearest test center. So like you can select what is your nearest. I am giving something Srikakulam. Okay, and like passport you have to give. So in passport like some policy you have to follow. What is that policy? Let me check. So it mainly talk about like a strong passport, something like your small letter one, capital letter one, special character, and at least one number. Such type of things it will talk. I think so. Okay. So I just go with that. One special character you need one. number you need, and one small letter you need. That's it you have to do, and it should be same. Okay, I have done. And security questions, so I am just giving these details like postal code, anything. This is not things to be shown, but for this completion of form process I am showing it. Okay, 0 zeta vmr. Okay, and submit. So we have to confirm the submission. Okay. Okay, so what it is showing, save the password. You can also save the password later on. You can be used. It can be useful for you. So save that, and you will get this note that reference ID. So you have to note it while you are going for campus community filling form. Then you need it. Okay, dear. So you note it. Okay, and then after what it is telling, an email with your like city, DT, reference ID, and password as entered by you have been sent to your email ID in registration form. Click on continue and enter your password to complete application form and assess campus community. Okay, so this is campus community I am going, and passport. So this passport I will check this passport working. Okay, so let me check. Yes, it is working. Click there. Now your name will come, your first name and last name. Your DT number will come, and now you have to fill the form. So how you can fill the form? You have to fill application form. Okay, dear. I hope you are clear so far. If you have any doubt, please do ask in comment section. Definitely, I will help you out. Okay. So okay, application we will go. Okay. So let's see what it is coming. I click the application. Okay, I will refresh the window. Okay, now you can see in application it is telling. Okay, again I have to wait as I refreshed it. Okay, so sometime it is taking a little time to load, so you need not to hurry up. Okay, I will again click application form. It will take a little time. So please do have a patience and fill very carefully. Don't do any type of mistake. So here it is telling the form is divided in the following section: personal, academic, order detail, and form preview and declaration. And if there is red star, that is mandatory. You have to fill, and like to save detail, navigate next field. Everything is there. I hope I need not to explain. As I go with form, you will get each and every detail. Click on start filling the form. So name is there already came, and like father names you have to provide. So okay, I will provide. Okay, so this is just for educational purpose. I am making this video. Okay, not for any like leak of the data or anything. Clear? So this is just for educational purpose. Okay, and date of birth, everything, your gender. Okay, and like permanent address you can mention. So like I will mention some permanent address. Okay, I will mention my permanent address in this case. Okay, so what I can mention, apartment block. Okay, so this is, there is no like house system, house number and apartment number. So I will just mention the detail what is in regular practice there, over there. Okay, okay, so you use like that in what is in your case. Okay, okay, and area landmark. Okay, country I have to select. So coming to, okay, it is somewhere stocking. Okay, no problem. Okay, now it is okay. I am from Nepal basically, so I will put Nepal. Okay, in your case, you fill your detail, and like state, so there is a state number. Okay, let's see they are providing or not anything. Even I don't have like state name is not declared, that is just state number two. So I am providing accordingly. Okay, dear. and the city is Inadua. So based on your detail, please fill. And here pin code also, I don't think it will take correct pin code. Okay, okay. Let me at time of submission, it may throw some error. Are the permanent and present address same? In my case, no. If your case it is same, then click same. Okay, so present. Okay, present is in my room number. I am giving some sample, not exactly the same data I am providing. Some sample data I am providing. Okay, okay, like that was hostel 3 I am providing. Okay, item college. Okay, then after I will provide item LA, that is landmark where this college is located, and this country, so it is India, and the state is Andhra, okay, Andhra Pradesh, okay, and city technically, and this is pin code, and email ID, this alternate email ID it is asking, so I will give one alternate email ID. This all that I am just using for showcase that a sample, so you can know how to fill this form, and it is educational, just tutorial video, nothing more than that. Okay, and I am submitting and continue. So what it is telling, please enter valid pin for permanent address. Actually, it is asking expecting 6-digit pin code. Okay, so that is only 5 digit in case of Nepal, but it is asking 6, so we have to go accordingly only. Okay, so now you can see after that personal detail is ticked, it means personal detail filling is done. Now I am going for next, and that is academic detail. So in academic there is different session we have to fill. So higher qualification. So like institute you have to take my institute Aditya Institute of Technology and Management. Okay, okay. Let me check. Okay, this one. And higher qualification, like what is your higher qualification? So this is BS. It is having Bachelor of Technology. Mine one is. Okay, so I will check Bachelor of Engineering. It is giving Bachelor of Technology. It is giving, right. So we have to select that, and passing year. This is correct passing year for me. I will again click save and next. Okay, so like that you have to go. Okay, dear. So duration you have to mention. Okay, so from here you can select. So something I started this on 2017. Okay, so go like that only 2017. Okay, and something in Augusta I started. Augusta I will give some 15. Okay, and you will get this all detail from your TPC department from your college. Ask them, they will provide you. And September something 13 it will declare 30. Okay, still like result is not declared, so it is going to declare like that. And this is full-time course, so select according to yours. And specialization, so my specialization is computer science and engineering, CSE, that is computer science. Okay, and engineering. Okay, let me check computer science and engineering, right. And there is CGPA system, so I will give CGPA. And obtained CGPA is mine one is up to now it is 8.09, and total CGPA is 10, and it is something 77.50. So you check with your like TPO and exam cell what is your conversion of CGPA. So it is also mentioned in your academic regulation. So check that regulation. It is different from college to college. It is not common for all. So check that accordingly. Okay. And if you have any doubt, let me know. And if you have like, okay, sorry, there is some page error. It is coming. Okay. Let me reload. It is coming. Sometime it happens. Okay. So let's see. Again, it is loading. Okay. I don't know why it came. Okay. So let me know and proceed. So it is unnecessarily taking time, but it happened, so we have to bear. I was working here only, and you saw that problem. Okay, and now you can see. Again, I will click on application. So I will find personal detail field once it is loaded. So let's see what it is providing. See, personal detail is completed here, as I had completed earlier, right? Okay. And academic, let's see, continue. Okay, it has not been set. Okay, no problem. Again, we will fill. I will fill immediately. Okay, so Aditya, instead of, okay, I am trying to fill fast, little bit fast. Okay, done. Graduation. Okay, again, I have to select date. So sometime it happened, nothing to worry. You have to again log in or refresh the page and go to that. Okay, that's it. Okay, year I will go year 2017, 2017. Okay, and something Augusta 15. Okay, and also note this date so you will not do any mistake. Okay, full time Aditya. Okay, and then after what is computer science and engineering, computer science and engineering, like that you have to select CGPA is there 8.09. Okay, this is 10 and this is 27.50, like that. Click on save and next, and here I have done +2. If you have done like any other equivalent, then you go for, and the specialization is like +2 science I have done. Okay, like that. Okay, science, it is not taken. Okay, plus, okay, two not taken. Okay, science I will mention. Science I have done. Okay, specialization and like university or institute. So it is I have done under Uniglobe uh, secondary school, SS or college, and I will mention specifically because this is from Nepal. Cut. Okay, Nepal. Okay, so in your case, you do mention accordingly. Okay, or yeah, I will just mention Nepal because that much field they are not providing. Board, that is okay. So mine one is any other like CBSE board, ICC. So these all are not my board because this is from Nepal. So I will provide like an NEB board is there, National Examination Board, National Examination Board, Nepal. Earlier it was SEB. So based on your case, you do provide. Okay. And duration is something like 2015. Okay. So it is. I will go and select ER. So it is something 2015 to 15 and something in March month I started. So I will give some date. You can check with your detail and fill accordingly. And it is something completed on 2017, and okay, 2017, and something like in 2 years of March or something, it May, June, some July the result came. So July I will give, and something like 10 I will give. Okay, and it was full time. Okay, and it is the marks it was, and here it is just you have to give 12 duration mark if you have done from like India or any other thing, like what is in your final score you will get, final certificate get, on that basis only you have to give. In my case, I have got like final. So like total marks obtained and total maximum like maximum mark. Okay, so actually I am forgetting. I will give some data. Okay, so I am give some data. Let me just remind what data I can give. Okay, okay. So just wait. And you check like don't, you are not allowed to give like your score of 11th and 12th. You just have to mention 12th score. Okay, So I will give something that like 297. Okay, 297. Okay, sorry, I think number lock is there. 297 I will give, and like maximum something what I can give, something, let me put it. So something I will give 617. Okay, or something, uh, 1620 I will put. Okay, 620 and 1000. Okay. So this way I am putting this data. You can put your case how it is, that put the actual data. Okay. Then I will go and like what it is telling. Okay. So let me one second. Let me click. Okay. It is telling please mention the course duration only of 12th class. So only of 12th class you have to mention. I have mentioned 11th and 12th. Okay. Okay, so I will go again and something 16th March and something I will give 14. Okay, like that I will mention. Okay, so this duration you have to mention accordingly. Okay, okay. Again I got this error. Don't know why it is getting. Couldn't find diagnosis. Okay, this is continuous problem coming. Okay, reloading. Couldn't find this DNS address. Something the server has some issue. So sometime it's happen. Okay, I will get back again. I have to fill these details. Uh, okay, so let me check it out. Okay. Frequently it is happening because I am very close to the last date of the form closing. So you don't do the same mistake. Okay. So you have to like do earlier, as soon as you get the link, you have to apply for it. Okay, so again it is loading. Let's see what it is happening. Okay. So it is again taking some 30-second time to load all those window and everything. So just have a patience and we will proceed accordingly. Okay. So for this is like one of the popular exam, and it is conducted as a global drive. So it is one of the best opportunity only. So don't do any mistake while you are filling the form. So it is going to take a little longer time, but have a patience and fill all those data accordingly. Fill all these data correct. Don't do any mistake in your data. Okay. So like that you have to do. So still it is loading. Okay. So it is like sometime it is really like irritating, but you have to feel nothing. You have no other option and choice to do. So you have to bear the situation and you have to do. So again, it is irritating for you, right? Okay, let me do it. Okay, it is also not showing the name. What we can do? Okay, see, it is not working. So sometimes this issue comes. So you have to wear. Okay, again it is like okay, net interrupt it is showing. I have some network issue too. Okay, okay, so we have to again load it. Let me load. Okay, still network issue. Okay, I will connect to next network. Okay, again loading. So it is sometime taking time, and I will trim out those person if I am taking longer speed, or I will provide the section. So you can check the section and go directly to particular page where you want to go. So it will not take your much time. Okay. So it is opening now, it is again loading. So even I will provide like subtitle of that every like portion of the video. So you can directly go to particular chapter of video and you can complete. So I will give like from where it is starting personal, where it is starting educational detail filling. So I will provide accordingly. So it will be easier for you, and like it will be also time saving for you. Okay, okay. Let me do fast. Okay, okay. Okay, let's see it is still working fine or not. Aditya Tea Institute of. Okay, still there is some network issue. Otherwise, okay, come. Okay, done. Okay, duration also done. This is done. Okay, so it is loading as earlier I had saved. So it is that's why it is taking the time. Okay, so it is loading. Just you have to wait in case if you find any error or encounter with any error, then you have to patience and go through like this only. Okay, all have been mentioned. Okay, go for that. I will give for 12 and specialization science. Okay, university I have mentioned, and like this is other board. What is in other I have provided. Okay, duration I have to mention. So this is something in 15. Okay, 2015. Okay, sorry 16. Just 12 we have to mention, and this is something. March in month of March started, and March like something 14 started, and it is completed in 2018. Okay, let me click there and go for 18. Okay, 18. Sorry, 16 to 17. 17 and it is something April and I will give some 3. Okay, and this is full time and this is mark, and the mark is something okay 610 and the total is 1000. I will give you check and just give the 12th mark, not 11th mark. Okay, and like 10th you have to give the roll number. So you have to check your document accordingly and you have to give your roll number what is available on the 10th. Okay, so I will give one number for in my case. Okay, so what number I am going to give? Something like one random value I am going to give. Okay, so 0, 350129 and M I am providing, and something university I am providing. Okay, some college name. To the for your college you provide your school, you provide your school name. Okay, you provide that. Okay, the country name I will provide, then the board you have to provide. So any board you have like, okay, so I have other board and that is like SLC board. So school living certificate, that was board, and this is board of Nepal. So this video is completely for like educational purpose. Okay, nothing more than that. Okay, dear. So this is like you have to mention just 10th duration. So you can give something January, okay, and like okay January something like 10 to like that. What is your date? In your case, you do mention accordingly. Okay, and this is something okay. 15 on 15 I completed, right? So 15, and this is okay something. Okay, February like that, and something date I will select. So check in your case and like what I can give in like mark. So I will give something like okay 623. I will give something 623. Give your accurate data whatever you have. Okay, don't give random data. Okay, do that accordingly. Okay, and I will go next and save. Okay, accordingly you can see it is saving, so it is taking a little time, but don't hurry up. If you have any other course then add, otherwise you can click no. Okay, And experience, work experience, if you have then yes, otherwise no. So I am assuming you are new, and so I am doing like that. And you have any break in your studies, you select accordingly. It is better option, I am selecting no. Have you done any other courses, you can mention yes or something like that. So I will mention something like programming in, okay, programming in Java, like that, from IIT Kharagpur, Kharagpur, okay, by NPTEL, like that you can mention. Okay, don't mention more courses if you are not confident on particular courses. Do you have any pending backlog currently? If you select yes, then your application is not going to be proceeded. So don't do that. Okay. And any other like, okay, this is please mention academic project undertaken, like if you have then mention. Otherwise, now you read this declaration. You have taken all the subject mark in the consideration for calculation of the total marks CGPA in its above qualification. Yes. Okay. The marks obtained entered in each above mentioned that execution has secured in first attempt. Yes. So check that and do that. Okay. You have considered only CGPA during like normal duration of the course and calculating. Yes. You have completed each of the mentioned course in the stipulated time. Yes. You have declared break in educational experience and pending backlogs if any during in your academic. Then yes, you have to click. You have not attended like TCS selection process last 6 months. Yes. Okay, yes, you have to take. Sorry. You have like read all term and condition eligibility criteria at your beginning of video I had mentioned. Yes. And I agree with this all. You have to agree. No other option. Click save and next. Language it will ask. You have to add some language. So like English language you add. Though English is not your first language, you mention English. Speaking, okay, reading and writing is there. Okay. Also mention like next language. So something Hindi you can mention. Hindi. So okay, and you can mention like okay, speaking, reading, writing, and must of you have this is mother tongue or first language. Click that. And any like Nepali, anything is there. Okay, Nepali. I will click like that. Done. Done. So like that you have to add. Okay, like a mother tongue, that is also two mother tongue is there for me in case. So like that you have to go. And if particular row is not valid, you have to tick and delete. Okay, you have to do. Right? So languages like language certificate. So language certificate means like language different language like in Spanish, French language. So like that if you have then add, otherwise no need. Okay, save and continue you have to click. Okay. Okay, so what you have to do, let's see. It is telling, please select one of the language as mother language. Mother tongue. Okay, so here I will tick one and done. Okay, Hindi I will remove and done. It is telling only one mother tongue is allowed to it. Okay. Save and continue. And it is asking a scholarship and like certification. So I have MG HSS scholarship. This is Mahatma Gandhi scholarship I had got. So I will mention I had multiple, but I will mention only one because I don't want to take you long time. The certification detail I will not add, or if you want, you can click and like certification, and you can add. So these all are the advanced. So don't go through that if you don't have. Okay, I will delete that column. Okay, no problem. Save and continue I will do. Now it will ask for like your uh, photo ID and CV. So name you have to give first name and last name. So first name is this and the last name is this. Okay, and blood group. So mine one is like AB positive I will give, and upload your photo. So one photo I have to upload. So I will go and make something like this. All I am doing for educational purpose only. This is showing demonstration. So nothing more than that. Okay. So this is fair use I am doing for educational purpose. CV you have to upload. So something I will CV I will go and upload. Okay. Okay. Or something. Okay, like that I will upload. Okay. Resume done. I will save and continue. I will click. And now it will take you to the review. Okay, so let's see what it is showing. Okay, so every each and every process I am explaining, and if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you out to resolve all this issue from my knowledge base. Okay, so take that. Okay, it is still loading. Okay, so you have to wait for it. Okay, till all is loaded. Okay, and I again repeat, you may encounter error many times, more than two times, three times. So don't be panic. Just sit back and stay for it is working normally, and do that accordingly. Okay, so this is academic detail is done. Now it is going for like other detail. So are you involved in any pending or like closed civil or criminal cases like that? So no. Are you involved in any like pending closed cases, malpractices? No. Okay. Application preview you have to do. So application preview you can click. Okay. Select your nationality. Okay. So where is the nationality? Okay, okay. Where is nationality? Let me check. Okay, let me fill where I have missed on mistake I have done. On nationality, I will go first pages. Okay, check. Let me check. Nearest test location. Okay, okay, okay. Country. Okay, okay, okay. Done. You have to verify like that only. Sometimes it's happen. No problem. Nationality it is asking, right? So we'll go next. Okay, let it be. So in your case also, if you are getting anything, then please let me know in the comment section. Definitely we'll find some alternative. I again repeating, this is regardless of the which year opening I am mentioning. So you can use this video across any year. So it is still loading. Okay. So sometime it is really taking time consuming. So you need not to worry. This video is going a little longer, but we have to bear it because this process is time taking only. Okay, okay. Please have a patience. Sit back. It is loading. I will try to like trim out the unnecessary delay it is or the unnecessary loading time it is taking. Okay, and definitely this will be helpful. So still it is loading. I think I have to reload the page once again if it is consisting only on this. Okay, I think I have to reload only. Okay, let me reload. Okay, again it will take some 30 seconds to load all these pages. So it is common and it is always almost happen whenever you apply for this. So you don't need to worry. You have to stay back and check each and every detail and fill. And this is like one of the very famous largest test conducting. So once you like qualify the test, then definitely there is very easy to crack the interview. So subsequent video I will provide, and I will also mention the tips to crack the test as well as how you can prepare for the interview. So everything I will mention. Now still the page is loading. Let it be loaded first. Again I will click on application form. So same process it is going. I hope up to this time you are well aware about how it is taking time and time consuming. Okay. So we can do anything. We don't have choice. Just we have to wait and follow their time schedule loading everything. You have to wait and do it and do like that. You have to go. Okay, so let's see. Okay, still it is loading. It is, I think, 10 more seconds it will take. Okay, and like if you have any question, then do please ask in comment section. Now you see it is loaded. Academic detail, I will directly go and check. Okay, so okay, academic detail, it is loading, you can see. So it is sometimes like they are fetching those all data from databases, and like they have some security like middleware. So those that are the reason it is taking like longer time to load the window. So it is normal process, you need not to worry on that regard. You just have to stay back and wait for the process to be completed. Okay, so we are still waiting on the screen and waiting for the complete load of the window. Okay, let's see how long it is taking. Really, I am also irritated due to this, but we have to bear, no other option we have. Okay, let's see how long it will take. I think 10-second more it will take. Still loading, loading and loading, only loading. Okay. Okay, I will trim out. Let's see how long it is taking. Normally it don't take this longer time, but it is taking. Okay, now you can see it is open. Okay, I will go continue. I will check everything. Okay. Let's see, even it seems okay taking longer. Okay, there is no nationality column is there. Just I have to check where I have to set the nationality. Okay, because it was showing that there is like nationality you have to set, you have to provide nationality detail. Okay. Still it is loading. Really it is taking so long time. Okay, let's see what next we can do. Okay, it is like time consuming only. Okay, I think in grade 12 also not, 10 is also not there. Any other qualification, no work experience. I think in declaration I have to check once. Okay, still it is loading. And today's last date also, so it may be taking a little longer time. Let's wait. Okay, so this is loaded graduation. Okay, and I don't want to go everything. I will just any other qualification. Okay, work experience, no. Declaration, I will go, and like okay, break in study, no. Okay, any dear friend, okay. Uh, any other detail? No. Undertaken project I will not mention. Okay, this done. Okay, continue. I will go, and then after let's see what I can do. Nationality. Okay, here on the top it is. Sorry, I did that mistake. Okay, it was on top only. Okay, Nepal. I will give. Okay, it seems some network issue. Okay, now it will come. Nepal. Done. Again, language I have to add, so I will add English. Okay, then after I have uh, speaking, reading, and writing as well. Okay, I will go for next. Next is Hindi. I will put Hindi. In Hindi, like I can put okay, speaking, reading, and writing. and one mother tongue, like first tongue I have to add, so that is Nepali I will add. Okay, Nepali, and this is I will speaking, reading, writing, and mother tongue I will add. Okay, so this is all, and I will go save and next. Okay, okay, so something what it is telling. Okay, this column is additional, so you have to delete it. Okay, okay, this is done. This is done, right, and I will go next. Then after I will, okay, these details has been done. Okay, so it is sometime it is taking a little bit longer, but you have to have a patience and check. Now we are at the last stage, application form preview and declaration. So involved in any crime, no, okay, and preview the application. You can click and you can check it out. All your application you can load and like open. Okay, in open you can see all those details and read out everything, and if there is any necessity of changing any detail, then do that modification. Okay, now you have to declaration. Have you appeared for TCS earlier? Like if yes, then furnish details. So no, I will declare no. Okay, and this service you have to agree. The date and place you have to mention. So this is my place, and submit application. You have to click submit application form. So now I am submitting, and this is on submit process, and this is all done. And do you like to apply for TCS Recruiters Drive? You have to click yes. Don't go back. So, and you have to give reference ID. You remember I copied one reference ID as earlier, so I will give that. I will remote, I will select and apply. Okay, so you have applied. You can see I have applied. You have applied for recruitment drive. So this is all about application. You can fill, and still if you are facing any problem, please let me know. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please share this video with other learner as well as your classmate and your seniors, juniors who is applicable to applying for this TCS NQT. Definitely this video is going to help you out and they will appreciate it. So once again, thanks a lot, and if you really like my content, please do subscribe the channel and share this video. Have a good time. All the best for drive.